this is the Suzuki V-Strom 650. Much lighter than the 1250. You don't get LED lights, you get halogen lights, halogen indicators. You don't get the monoblocks, so you've got Tyco calipers. They're pretty good calipers. Tall. So this is Suzuki Adventure Touring, and less than 100 horsepower. So what this is going to give you is really good fuel economy. You're going to get at least 45 mpg out of something like this. And it's a modern engine, so you've got fuel injection, computer controlled. Do you know what I mean? So pretty reliable. It looks like it's just a massive single from what I'm seeing. Or a twin? No, it's like a twin to me, like a really small twin. But yeah, you get a lot of wind protection. So the seat is low, so you've got all these panels to shift the air away from you, and you've got this massive screen, so you can do a lot of miles on this and be very comfortable and do a lot of distance on this and not be tired. So that's a way to look at it. Oil filters down there, oil filler cap is down there, so it's easy engine to work on, service, and is an affordable way to get you into a Suzuki Adventure Touring.